Hey there, Jared over at Act Air Duct Cleaning. My name is Calvin Burkhart, and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a digital marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in your area today, and I came across your website. Figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to go over 3 things that I can see that you guys can do today to start beating your competition out online. So I don't want to waste your time, Jared, and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like the tips that I've given you, and you can see that I have a lot of value that I can bring your business, give me a call and we can chat. Or if by the end of this video you just like to use the tips I've given you for yourself, that's okay too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. The 3 things I'm going to cover today with you, Jared, is content, citations, and backlinks. And basically, just looking at your front page here, anything that you can see that's highlighted on your front page is considered content, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures can be included in that content. Now, typically, Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content right on your front page, describing what it is that you guys do and the services that you offer. I do see that you guys have quite a bit of content right on your front page, but the key here is you want to make sure that you're working in keywords or key phrases into your content that people are going to be using to search and try to find someone that offers your services. And so that's the first tip I got for you guys over content. Just make sure you have enough content to really work in those keywords and key phrases so that people can find you even if they've never heard of your brand name before. The second thing that I'm going to go over today with you, Jared, has to do with citations. Now, I did a Google search here, duct cleaners in your area out in Seattle. And the first thing that you're going to see in any Google search is going to be some industries will have this Google guaranteed. Now, this is paid advertising, so this is a paid listing. But this is something new that that Google just released over the last couple of years. And if you're not already currently in here, I would recommend going through the process of getting your business listed in here, because there's a lot less trash leads that are going to come in through this as opposed to the classic Google ads. Now, right underneath the Google guaranteed, obviously you're going to see the Google ads. Advertising are just people that are paying to be on the top of the search engines. Now, ads don't always work, because if people are using ad blockers, there's a good chance that they're not even going to see the ads. So the citation part that I'm going to cover, the second thing here, the citations, has more to do with this map section right here. And in order to really beat out your competition in this map section, where a lot of businesses are getting calls nowadays, you're going to have to get your business listed into more directories than your competition. And that's what we just call them citation. All citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. A good way to describe what a directory would be, that would be something like Yellow Pages or Facebook or Yelp. Any one of those online sources that allow businesses to put their business name, address, and phone number in there, and then also list their services. All it's going to do is just give another avenue for people to find you for your services. And so in order to truly beat out your competition here, you want to go out and find out what directories your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get your business listed in those same directories, but you don't want to just stop there. In order to truly beat them out, you want to start adding more than what they have, and then over time you guys will start taking their position here in this map section. So that's it for citations. The third thing I'm going to go over with you guys today has to do with the section right underneath the maps, and that's backlinks. So when you look at the internet, all it is a bunch of different websites that are pointing back and forth to one another. That's all a backlink is. So if there's another website out there that has a link back to your website from their website, it just gives, once again, another avenue for customers to find you and reach you. Looking at a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs, this tool gives me an idea of what's working for you guys and also what's working for your competition. From this tool, I can see that you guys have 13 referring domains, giving you 31 backlinks, and in return you're getting found for 21 keywords or key phrases, and it's bringing you 2 people on average through organic search each month. Now, if I go in here to the referring domains, I can see all the websites that you're listed on. Oh, give me 1 second, let me log back in. Alright, and I'm back. So these are the referring domains that are sending links your way, so like Dex Knows, Easy Local, Yellow Pages. So you already have some of those main citation sources or the main directories you guys are already kind of listed in. And so what I can see with your competition here, just looking at like Black Lion HVAC, for example, you can see that they have 79 referring domains, giving them 525 backlinks, getting them found for over 700, almost 800 keywords, and it's bringing them over 274 traffic each month on average. Now I do see with your competition they are paying for some ads, but this organic traffic is calculated based on where their positions are for certain keywords or key phrases. And so in order to truly beat out your competition, you need to go and find the other websites that your competition is listed in, and then you need to try to get your business listed in there as well, because if it's working for them, it's going to work for you. So I hope this information has been helpful for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Mr. or Mrs. Leads can help grow your business online, please reach back out to me and we can have a chat. Or if you'd just like to take these tips I've given you and use them for yourself, that's okay too. I wanted to thank you for your time, for watching this video. I know I went on a little bit longer than I anticipated, but thanks again for watching, and you have a great day.